In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update recurring invoice behavior by toggling automatically apply credits. This quick adjustment controls whether existing customer credits are automatically used on invoices created from your recurring templates, which can streamline billing and reduce outstanding balances without extra manual work. First, open your account and click Settings. You'll typically find Settings as a gear icon in the upper corner or as a labeled option in your main navigation. Make sure you're working in the correct company or workspace and that you have the necessary billing or admin permissions to make changes. Navigating through settings puts all billing preferences in one place so you can adjust them confidently and consistently. Next, select Recurring Templates. This area houses the templates that generate invoices on a schedule, weekly, monthly, or whatever cadence you've set. You may see it labeled as Recurring Templates or Recurring Invoices depending on your interface, but you're looking for the section dedicated to automated invoice creation. Opening Recurring Templates ensures the change you make will apply to the invoices that are created from these schedules. Now find the option labeled Automatically Apply Credits and toggle it on or off. Turning it on means any available customer credits, such as unapplied credit memos or overpayments, will automatically reduce the amount of each new invoice generated by your recurring templates. This is great if you want invoices to reflect the most accurate balance due right away and minimize follow-ups. Turning it off keeps those credits on the customer's account until you decide to apply them manually. That can be helpful if you need tighter control for specific billing scenarios, like installment plans, or when you want to manage credit usage case by case. After setting the toggle the way you want, click Save Changes if you see a Save button. Some pages save automatically as soon as you flip the switch. If the platform auto-saves, you might notice a brief confirmation message or a small Saved indicator. Either way, take a second to confirm your preference is recorded before leaving the page. That's it. The behavior of your recurring invoices has been updated. From now on, newly generated invoices created by your templates will either automatically apply customer credits or leave them untouched, exactly as you've chosen. This change affects invoices generated going forward and won't modify ones that have already been created or sent. If your account supports multiple templates, the setting may be global or clearly scoped within this area, so your selection will be applied consistently according to how your system labels it.